we are officially at 368. So, President Ravi, we are officially beginning the meeting. Welcome everyone for the last but not the least, the Thanksgiving meeting of this royal year 2020-21. The very happy and the cheerful President is here with us. President, I request you to officially start this Thanksgiving meeting for one last time. You have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Thank you, Ramnathan. Yes. This is the 15th e-meeting, Royal Year 1920. I request our past Secretary, Rotarian Dhanarajan, to invoke Rotary Grace.
Dhanarajan, you have to unmute yourself and speak.
Meeting is called to order.
Yes.
O Lord, and giver of all good, my Rotary friends and Rotary Grace, help us to serve in all our days. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Secretary Palaniappan sir. Over to President for welcoming the gathering, please. Thank you.
Thank you, Ramnathan. And now the four-way test of the things we think, say, and do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendship? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you. It's great pleasure in inviting you for this Thanksgiving program of Rotary Club of Madurai West for the Royal Year 2019-20. I welcome all the Royal team members and all Westerners, all Rotarians from all over the district, and the newly chartered club, Rotary Club of Madurai Metro Heritians, and all the family members of Westerners and other guests. And above all, it's my privilege to welcome the Governor, Rotarian Dr. A. Zamir Basha, for this grand evening. I welcome one and all for this Thanksgiving ceremony. Thank you. I welcome all.
Thank you, President. We can see a lot of emotions in your eyes today while speaking. It's unlike the other meeting. Just wanted to tell you this. And over to Secretary for the announcement and the reports. Secretary, you have to unmute yourself again.
Thank you, President and Moderator. Good evening, Governor sir. Good evening to all members and members from other clubs. My announcement consists of three parts. First is birthday and wedding day of our members. First, our senior member Narayanan uncle celebrates his birthday today, June 26th. And our recently joined member Chandramohan sir celebrates his birthday on 29th June. Dr. Sampath Kumar, he celebrates his birthday on 1st July. And our Yogesh Tirukonda, his birthday is on 2nd July. And one wedding day is there. Today our very senior member M.K. Vijay celebrates his wedding day 26th June, that is today. Let us greet on behalf of Rotary Club of Madurai West to all of them. Thank you very much. And I would like to show one gift item which President and myself are arranging as a matter of Thanksgiving, as a mark of Thanksgiving. I will show in the screen, please watch. This is the item we are giving to all our members as a matter of gratitude for the successful completion of our tenure. I hope you are seeing. Thank you very much. And regarding activity report of our club during the year 2019-20, before actually reading out this report, I extend my sincere gratitude to all the members, board members, and various committee chairmen for their immense cooperation, guidance, and encouragement. And before actually reading out the report, I will quote one quotation from Martin Luther King. He said, "Take the first step in faith. You don't have to see the whole staircase before climbing in the path. Just take the first step," he told. So accordingly, we took the first step on June 28th last year by commissioning 3 projects during the installation ceremony. And first, I'll tell you about our weekly meetings. Actually, every Friday evening, 5:30, we have been arranging meetings with speakers from various fields. They addressed on topics of various matters, maybe current affairs, regarding festivals, regarding medicine, general health, finance, and etc. So many other matters are there which are unique and special. Some literature are there. And unfortunately, from March 20 was the last physical meeting we held. Due to the prevailing circumstances, we could not continue the physical meeting, but without fail, every Friday, we continued with the method of Zoom e-meetings. So far, excluding today, 14 e-meetings have been conducted via Zoom video conferencing every Friday evening on various matters. Just now, we will be releasing one bulletin containing all the details of all the 14 e-meetings. And regarding attendance, etc., we are regularly updating the Club on Net portal of RI. It is having all the projects and meetings, attendance details, everything. And again, regarding bulletin, on March 20th, our last bulletin was released, number 39. But for the problem of COVID, we should have released about 52 bulletins, but we were compelled to stop with 39. But now, today, we are releasing 40th bulletin from the hands of our distinguished governor. It will be released shortly. And regarding financial matters of the club, for both the half years, SAR and all other dues to various RI authorities, they have been remitted in due time. And regarding our club assemblies, there were 2 assemblies. First was on 30th June last year at Hotel V Grand. We actually planned for the 2019-20 year how to go about with various projects and other things. And on 6th December in Fortune Pony Hotel, we had the second assembly. There we decided about the district conference visit, participation, and regarding major donors, etc. And this family dinner meeting was our hallmark. Actually, every month, 1 or 2 family dinner meeting we arranged with the cooperation of all the senior members. And one joint meeting with Rotary Club of Madurai West Next Gen we arranged on 29th November 2019. And regarding the foundation, there are a number of major donors in our club and one endowment member, which is in the name of our distinguished Rotarian Ramu Murugesan sir. And one 3-day Raila, our club Raila was arranged with the cooperation of all the Rotractors on 27, 28, 29 December of 2019 in Mahatma School premises. And regarding Rotaract clubs, they are having 14 number of Rotaract clubs and Interact clubs 18 we are having. Installation in all the Interact and Rotaract clubs were successfully completed. And 2 new clubs we inducted during this year. One Rotaract club was inducted in Madurai Institute of Social Sciences and one Interact club was inducted in Jain Vidyalaya CBSE pattern, Tirupalai. Now let us go to the project part. First, I will inform you about the district projects. Our district governor devised one scheme called Dasavadaram and gave a very interesting names every month for the schemes. Nayagan, Nammavar, Uyarnda Ullam, Rajaparvai, Viswarupam, Anbeslam, like that, with various domains. In September, we carried out the Nayagan Dasavadaram program, which is focused on literacy program. All the Madurai clubs joined to conduct to teach the teachers program. It was tremendously successful with the presidency of our club president and leadership of secretary. In October, the program named Nammavar in Arasanur village we conducted in Sivagangai district. I think you are hearing now, President? This audible clearly not?
Yes, loud and clear, sir. Please go ahead.
In October, the scheme was Nammavar. It was carried out in Arasanur village, and we joined with SBI Amman Sannidhi branch Madurai to make the village people aware about economic matters and drawing loans from banks and all other financial matters. In November, under the Uyarnda Ullam scheme, we remitted $5 in the name of each of our members to RF Foundation. In December, the project name was Rajaparvai. It was dealing with disease prevention, and we carried out as breast cancer awareness program with joining with all Madurai clubs. In January, the project was named as Viswarupam, and the topic was vocational excellence. And we, for our part, we gave Vocational Excellence Award to the present Dean of Madurai Medical College and GH, Dr. J. Sangumani. Under the presidency, Thirumalai, Vice Chancellor, he also visited participated in the meeting. And in February, the scheme was named as Anbe Shivam, and the topic was Peace Rally. A successful peace rally of about 400 members participation with the cooperation of Lady Doe College and the American College. We started from Lady Doe College and reached Gandhi Museum. Apart from the peace rally, we taught the audience, students, regarding the importance of blood donation and organ donation, etc., with the cooperation of Young India, which is a division of CIA, Madurai. This is regarding district projects. Now we will come to our own club projects. Our own club projects number more than 23 during the year. On the day of installation, we carried out 3 projects. The first was medicine supply to mental health patients under the Blossom scheme to Annanagar Clinic. And Dr. Pethabarmal donated 4 school toppers scholarship, and 2 people were supplied with artificial limbs, which were handicapped people. And the 4th project was a smart class equipment supply to a school in Palamedu village. And another smart class equipment was made over to YMCA Kamak School, which is of hearing impaired students. And every year for the last about 15-20 years, we have been celebrating Independence Day with the students of YMCA Kamak School. The program will be about 2 hours from 8 to 10:30. The students will be immensely happy to see us every time, and we also did enough help to them in whatever possible way. And our important program was one blood donation on 1st and 2nd July of last year. In American, one was district project and the other was our own project. And I am glad to say that I was the first donor in the club project blood donation. Thank you very much. And one important project called financial assistance to one patient, Harini, who was undergoing kidney transplantation surgery. We donated a single check containing 1 lakh rupees as a distinguished project. And we supplied incinerator to Pioneer College located at Povandi, Sivagangai district. And one more project, teaching aid supply to Palamedu School. And one more smart class equipment supply to Betsan School. And that school also consists of special children. It is located in Sikandar Savadi location of Madurai, beyond Kodal Nagar. And recently, we did 2 COVID-19 affected people projects. One was in Narikuravar Colony, Sakimangalam. With the help of our benevolent members, we were able to supply about grocery and rice worth of 1,25,000 rupees. That was the first COVID-19 project. The second one was held very recently in Villapuram. There also we did supplied rice and grocery to very poor people who are affected by COVID-19 for their livelihood. About 75,000 rupees worth of goods we were able to supply. And one more project, assistance to poor people, was held at Jagindapuram. And our member Rotarian M.E. Ilango, he provided an endowment amount for educational assistance to meritorious students. That was a big project. And during the family meeting during Ayudha Puja in Paramount Mill premises of Raman Murugan sir, we supplied 4 sets of uniforms to small children of Veda Puliyangalam Government School. 4 sets of uniforms to Veda Puliyangalam School. And we did tree planting last year in a number of schools and colleges. And 3 medical camps we did in 3 different places. One was in Arasanur village of Sivaganga district, that was with the help of Shenbagam Hospital. And with the help of Nandini Hospital, Madurai, we made a medical camp in Munduvar, Patti and Kolamangalam. And one more diabetes camp was held in Madurai Annanagar to make the people awareness regarding the checking for diabetes. And one grand project of global grant project was completed very recently with the guidance of our district governor and leader Sundarvel sir and primary contact Raja Govinda Swami and secondary contact Ram Murugan sir. It was the supply of RT-PCR equipment worth about 24 lakhs to Madurai Medical College. It was very timely and helpful to the present situation, I think. And recently, district has arranged all the clubs under the district a smart class equipment to be given to the beneficiaries. And we are about to get from district, I think, and that will be going to Visalarchi School located in Paravai. That will be a project yet to be completed. And as a continuation of Uyanda Ullam project held last year, 17 more US in the name of each of the members has been already remitted. $17 into number of members into dollar rate. That much amount we have remitted in very recently. And one more small project carried out in the beginning of the last year was donation of books. 200 number of books were donated to Regional Passport Office by Dr. T.S. Chandrasekhar sir, who is at present available. I hope I have covered all the aspects of our activities. Thank you very much. President.
Thank you Palaniappan sir. It was really உங்க கண்ணுல ஒரு வித்தியாசமான மகிழ்ச்சியும் ஒரு பிரைடும் தெரியுது சார். Thank you very much for detailedly telling about all the projects. 365 நாள் பண்ண ப்ராஜெக்ட் நீங்க 3 நிமிஷத்துல ரொம்ப அழகா சொன்னீங்க. Thank you very much. Same way இந்த pride உங்க கண்ணுல தெரிஞ்ச மாதிரி the pride of Rotary Club of Madurai West is our bulletin. I request President to guide Governor to. Thank you. I request President to officially request Governor to release the bulletin of today. President?
48 bulletin. President, let me tell you something about this bulletin.
Please.
President, you have to say something about the bulletin.
Governor, I think Governor is.
He's watching only. He's watching.
Bulletin in PDF format of bulletin to all groups, I believe. Ramanathan, you can unmute Governor so that Governor can put his words on it.
I'm very much on. I give it my great pleasure and privilege to now release this Madurai Western Bulletin, of which I have already had a sneak preview, and it looks very, you have had a comprehensive coverage of the entire presentation what our Secretary Palniappan has said, and I have already seen that, and it's really fantastic effort on your. And I've already always been a fan of the Madurai West, and now that I feel that I'm at home, this is my home club, at Thai Changamari. Wish you all the very best. The bulletin has come, the layout, the printing, everything is fantastic. All the very best to you. Thank you very much. And the editor and the president, secretary, everyone deserves a big round of applause for this lovely project. All the very best.
Thank you, Governor. Thank you, President. President, over to you for giving your, what to say, thank you notes maybe, probably, for one last time again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Ramanathan. Thank you, Governor, respected Governor. And it's been an emotional day for me because the entire last year, which I dedicated for the Rotary Club of Madurai West and for the entire Rotary District 3000, with which we were able to cover lot many projects and lot many programs. And summing up of Rotarian M. Palniappan, the club secretary, gave me, that recollected me several, the moments that we had together, how the projects went, what happened on the field, everything that, flashed in my mind, and it was a good recollection when he was talking about that. And the bulletin part, which he designed, the club secretary is the reason behind this 40th bulletin, because he only did everything, even every paragraphing, every word, everything he designed by himself. I thank Rotarian Palniappan for his immense support in building the bulletin. Yes, Palniappan.
Oh, the specialty of this bulletin is it is having YouTube link of all the last 14 meetings. Anybody, members or public, they can see whenever they want. It is uploaded in YouTube by the president. Yeah. The link is given in each of the portion. Thank you.
Yes, the specialty of the bulletin, as Secretary rightly pointed out, we have created a channel for Rotary Club of Madurai West in YouTube, and that channel is always, available. And whenever possible, all Rotarians, I want you to go and have a look at, how the meeting has been conducted, how the meeting is done in the last 14 weeks. Everything is uploaded there in the Rotary Club of Madurai West channel itself. I hope the next president also will, upload the videos similarly in the YouTube channel also. So, Governor, it's a very pride moment for me standing before you. And at first and foremost, I would like to thank you first because my thanks goes to you as you made many of the Royal President's work easy by implementing 10 projects called Dasavadaram. You envisaged many things along with us as a team, as a whole team. While we were sailing and reaching our destination, unfortunately, we were hit by this Corona crisis, COVID crisis, and that which put us in a different tide for us to go in a different, towards a different direction. But though we were drifted in different tide, by the different tides, our aims were, focused on what to be done to the public. So we focused once again towards the public, and we did several projects to public this time. Even after the lockdown also, we were able to complete as a whole district, we were able to do so many projects. I would say that you rose at that level. You rose at that point of time, and you did, we could see your manifestation at that time, and you rose to the level of, big size, எப்படி வந்து ஒரு அவதார புருஷன் வந்து அவ்வளவு பெருசா வந்து எந்திரிச்சு நிப்பாரோ அது மாதிரி you rose to the occasion and did so many projects during this COVID crisis situation. And you supported us in many ways, and one such support is that you gave us a chance to do the Global Grant project, which you speeded up. You did, on your side, you speeded up the project. You didn't, take any, time of wastages at your side, and we executed the project at a very speed level. And I'm happy to tell you that today the project that we, completed some 1 week before, the project has come to life. Today, the equipment which we have handed over to Rajaji Hospital has come to life, and it has been an operation. From today onwards, it is given to the public. I'm happy to announce that today, the government Rajaji Hospital has started using our RT-PCR from today onwards. So this is a happy moment for me, because the information which Dr. Vasantha Priyan has passed me today is this, that they have started using our RT-PCR from today. Thank you for that, Governor. This opportunity is because of you, we have done this Global Grant project. And what I would say that you've been a very big source of inspiration, and you are not only a speaker, you are a wonderful speaker. Everyone would accept that. You are a wonderful speaker and a very kind, empathetic friend also, I would say, because whenever we approach you, you come out with suggestions, and whenever we approach for any kind of help or something, you come out with proper suggestions as a friend. So that is why I say that a kind of empathetic friend and a great leader. And above all, you are a doctor also, so that you knew to handle the situation. So we are very much gifted to have you for this year as our Governor. Thank you very much for having with us in this Thanksgiving ceremony. I personally thank you for this entire year that you have given us. You have choreographed for this entire year. So I personally thank you, and you are truly an inspiration to all the Rotary fellow members, and particularly the royal team. Thank you, Governor, for this wonderful opportunity given to me. And I should say start from Rotarian Nandalal, because I didn't know that Nandalal would come out and hand over a check rupees 10,000 for a water project during the installation time. So the project started commencing from his hands onwards. So from Dr. Betha Perumal also, Betha Perumal gave a contribution to a needy person which is an educational support to that fellow. And that was widely appreciated at that time. Even in his note, in the chief guest note itself, our parliament member Palanivel Rajan also specially mentioned this in his note. So such a kickstart was Dr. Betha Perumal's project. And later, Rotarian Chandrasekharan, who's the very first person who gave the check for the subscription for the year 1920. And with his support, we kickstarted the entire year. And the weekly programs, I would have to say that it is because of Rotarian Farooq Tayyub, we were able to complete, we were able to see good speakers, and all the weekly programs were very, very useful and informative to the listeners. And we were able to get good speakers in Madurai and around. So I'm thankful to Rotarian Farooq Tayyub for this. And I owe Rotarian Balakannan and Rotarian Sumadi Jnanagugan, who are actually the pillars for Interact and Rotaract clubs. Their able guidance to the Interact and Rotaract clubs, their execution of projects on their side, everything, including the installation and their projects, everything went very well under their able guidance to the Rotaract and Interact clubs of our Rotary Club of Madurai West. When talking about Rotaract clubs, I should not miss out one person in particular. She is none other than our member Rotarian Jayarani, who is also the coordinator for Rotaract Club of American College, whose work from the blood donation camp till this Interact Carnival program, Rotaract Carnival program, which they conducted in American College, everything was marvelous success, I would say, with the able presidentship of Rotaractor Alamin. She was able to execute everything properly. My personal thanks to Jayarani for her support throughout the year to me. And while talking about Rotaract, I would not miss out the RILA program, which is a very big success this year. RILA, the trio, I would say, Rotarian L. Ramanathan, Rotarian Ponkumar, and Rotarian Sanjay. The trio did a wonderful job. Rotarian Ramanathan, as the chairman for RILA, and Rotarian Ponkumar as pilot, and Rotarian Sanjay as co-chair. All the three have done immensely, they have done very hard work. They brought nearly 77 students from all colleges, from our Rotaract colleges, from other colleges. And it was a very big success with a good, very different idea of Ramanathan, bringing in a different program for the second day of Raila, which is a paradigm shift, I would say. He was there on the field, and he was in the planning, and he was in the execution. Everywhere his work was there. So his guidance to the rest of the team heads were very, very needed at that time, and they too cooperated with them very well. That is why this Raila was a very big success. It was a hit, actually, I would say. And the students who took part in Raila, they all appreciated the second day program of Raila, which is actually the brain program of Ramanathan. My personal thanks to Ramanathan for his support and his excellence in Raila program. My wishes, Ramanathan, you are truly a leader in the making. So my wishes to you. And I would say that Vinayaka Printers is a very big support to us in building, in designing invitations and in designing bulletin. It's all because of you. We are giving a very colorful, beautiful bulletin at a very cheap cost. Thank you once again, Ramanathan. This is. And as Westerners, we have done so many projects this year. As Secretary rightly pointed out, we have done nearly about 25 to 27 projects, I would say. Even small projects, if we count, it'll even it'll count more than 30, I believe. So many projects we have done. Starting from Blossom, Betaparmal project, LIM project, blood donation, smart class for 3 schools, and the kidney project for Harini, and the Kamek school project, and even MSN Pioneer Meenakshi College incinerator project. So many projects we have done, even the tree planting projects, everything, the club projects are about nearly 30, I would say. All the projects were done with the support of Westerners. All the Westerners, whenever I posted a request message in the WhatsApp group, they come forward and contribute so much, to complete the project. Our past president, senior uncle, N.A.N. uncle also would tell, whenever I used to talk to him, he would say that, நீங்க ஏதாவது மெசேஜ் போட்டீங்கன்னா உடனே ஒரு 10-20 நிமிஷம் இல்லைன்னா ஒரு வாரத்துக்குள்ள உங்களுக்கு அமௌண்ட் கலெக்ட் ஆயிருது, அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு என்ன கவலை அப்படின்னு he asked me. So that kind of immense support I was getting from you. I really thank all the Westerners for your immense support to me for the projects that I brought to you, for the club. And yes, as Secretary said, with this, we have made $17 per member. Recently, we have done it. This, I would like to bring it a note that recently, a few days before, our governor has dropped this Vallal coupon. Vallal coupon was actually asked to be collected by each president. In the beginning of the year itself, they gave coupons to all club presidents. For our club, they have given around 100 coupons to the club. And I was asked to complete at least half of it. And we were actually having different other projects and other things were on the move. So, but after this COVID situation arose, governor thought to drop this Vallal coupon, which is a very genuine thing. And he thought for that, the reason behind is that he thought that he didn't want to continue because he wouldn't be, conducting that program, the coupon to be sold and the gifts to be given for the coupon, which is not possible during this lockdown time. During this COVID time, a crowd is not allowed. a big gathering cannot be possible, and this kind of big meetings cannot be possible. So he took a very strong decision of genuine decision of dropping that Vallal coupon. So I gave a promise to our governor in that very meeting itself that I would do some justice for this Vallal coupon. So keeping that in mind, I paid $17 in each member's account for TRF. That means a whole of amount 1,40,000 rupees I paid to TRF, which I as a promise I think I executed the promise, Governor, and I hope that will be a little help in achieving our TRF goals of the district. Yes. And
17 plus 5, it's 22.
Yeah, 17 together.
Plus 5, November 5.
$5, and with this $17, each member has contributed $22 this year. So this is the you will be receiving a mail, thanking mail from RA regarding this. Yes, and for all the projects, the contributors for all the projects, I really should say thank to Rotarian Aditan, Rotarian Yogesh, Rotarian Bala, Rotarian Anand Babu, Hanif, many members, even Khurshid, even he is from Dubai, he was sending money through via Hanif. So all these things were happening. So our Westerners were, even though we are in different places, we stood unite and doing projects. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Above all, I should say two members. I should say importantly, Governor. They are Rotarian Bharatwaj and Rotarian Ramamurgesan. They both are very benevolent in nature. Rotarian Bharatwaj is a wonderful person, a very pious, God-fearing person. He loves to contribute and his support to each and every project that we, came in the club. His contribution is there. That speaks volumes of his compassion towards his society. And truly, we are gifted to have you, Rotarian Bharatwaj, sir. I'm really happy and I'm really thankful to you for being with me for whatever the project I proposed. You were there and you supported me. Thank you, Bharatwaj, sir, for your support and your hands in all the projects. I really acknowledge the support that you have given me, sir. And regarding Ramamurgesan, I would say that everyone knows that he is a very good benefactor, but he has got different dimensions also. He is a wonderful speaker, you all know that. He is a great designer. We came to know that his designing abilities, in the recent times, even in my time only, he started designing and giving invitations in his own designings. And a beautiful coordinator. When he says that he brings a speaker, he would do all things. He wouldn't bother whether the president wants this, that, and all. Everything he does on his part. So we can sit relaxedly and receive whatever that he says, and that kind of coordination he renders. And he's a true leader, I would say, in all respects. An influential person, and he is also a reason for getting letter from Government Rajaji Hospital and bringing the Minister Uday Kumar to the program. Everything, he has got a beautiful hand in doing that. And whenever I post a message in WhatsApp group, he would observe that for a while. And once the amount started coming in the club, that I give this much of contribution, that I give this much of contribution, like that. At a point, immediately one message pops up from Rotarian Ramamurgesan saying that, okay, I will match the balance. So that ends the project. So whatever the project is, his amount is always there. Mainly half of the sum or more than half of the sum will be his contribution in all the projects. So that much of dedication he is, that much of benevolent nature he has. And I feel very happy that this year he gave more speakers and more of activities he has given more of contribution he has given. I'm really happy that his activeness in this year as compared to last year's is much more than last year's, I believe. So I request Ramanathan to make use, the incoming president Ramanathan, to make use of him so that the club will be benefited out of him a lot. And our dream, Ram Murugesan sir and I were talking about bringing Mr. Shivakira to one of our regular meetings, which didn't happen because of the COVID situation. I think Ramanathan, after this COVID lockdown and all, after this COVID crisis gone, probably you can approach Mr. Ram Murugesan to bring Shivakira here, so that will be a massive hit to the entire district. I think you can do it, Ramanathan. Yes, I really owe you, Rotarian Ram Murugesan, for your best work that you have done the entire year. My special thanks to you, Ram Murugesan sir. Okay, I thank all the family meeting sponsors, like starting from Rotarian MS Sundravel, Amar Singh, Rotarian Narayan Subaya, Rotarian Susi Jayapalan, Rotarian Ram Murugesan at Paramount, and Rotarian MK Vijay for a Saurashtra food, and Rotarian Hamsapriya for her support to Raila and to a dinner at Mahatma Residential School, and Aruna Vishweshwar Madam for her fun activity at Atyapana. All were a very big hit throughout the year, and we didn't miss any of the fun there in the family gatherings. And obviously, after this COVID situation, we are missing the fun of gathering. That is what is happening now. And I thank all the family dinner meeting sponsors and other sponsors for the entire year. And there are some people who are always stands by my side, who supports me. This is not only for me they would support, this is the club they used to support. They are Rotarian Arnachalam uncle, Rotarian Lalji sir, Rotarian Yanayan uncle, who's a very strong pillar, who stands there always for rules and regulations of the club, and Rotarian T. Ravi, Rotarian Shankar, Rotarian Asha madam for her immense support, and Raji Dhanasegaran. All of them have done a wonderful job in supporting me and executing all the projects of the club. I thank you personally for your support and contribution for the club. I also thank Rotarian Uday, Rotarian Chitra Ganapati, Rotarian BRJ Kannan, Rotarian Ramsamy, Rotarian Sabrin Rose for their support, and during the COVID crisis time, they became our speakers for the club, and their speaker meetings were very big hit, and they gave with a lot of inputs, with a lot well-informed matters they came and discussed, which is a very big hit among our Westerners. Thank you, Westerners, for that. And I should not, there are two inevitable persons in this year for me. They are Rotarian MS Sundravel and Rotarian Raja Govindasamy. I would say Rotarian MS Sundravel is the person of perfection, you all would know. He's a man of perfection, a meticulous person, a man of decision, I would say. So he supported me, and his contribution to the club throughout the year is immense. His instructions were, to me, were helping me and taking decisions and implementing things were very much helpful to me. And I would say that it was because of him we were able to execute this a new club formation of Rotary Club of Madurai Metro Heritage. Somehow he made it very simple. Once I gave the job to him, he conveniently did the entire thing, in the process in a very smooth way, without any ripples and without any, hot strings. He was able to execute it properly with proper design. So that much of efficiency he had. and even this global grant project also, his work is immense because he played as a secondary contact, and he was material. He was instrumental in getting letter and designing letters and communicating with the persons who to be purchased. Everything is immense. His work is immense in that perspective. So I thank Rotarian Sundaravel for being an advisor for the entire year and his support to me for the entire year. I thank you, Sundaravel sir. And above all, I should say Rotarian Raja Govinda Swami. Raja Govinda Swami is my professor in my college, and I still look up him in that way. He's still my professor, and he still treats me like that only. He always treats me like a student. So even though I'm a president for the club, and he treats me like "Nee namma payam pa vapa," like that, he used to call me and always patters me on my back, and he does all the support to me. And he's an able leader. His contribution to the club is immense. Every week his contribution is there. To precise it, I would say that he would do the designing work. He would do the couriering job. Sometimes picking things from here to there, from one place to the club destination. Club meeting hall. Sometimes to from his place to my school. So he does all kinds of work for the club's sake. So such a very nice person he is, of this stature. He comes down and he works for the club, and I'm really thankful to you, Rotarian Raja sir, for your humblest work that you have been rendering, and I've been witnessing this entire year. I'm really thankful for being with me, for supporting me throughout this year. I'm really happy, and you are truly a leader, and I hope that you would get very great height in the years to come. My wishes, sir, and my thanks, my heartfelt thanks to you for being with me and for guiding me throughout the years, sir. My thanks to you, and I should not miss out certain important people like the club helper, attender, Mr. Alagaraju, who helped us in all the physical meetings, and those who helped in the physical meetings like Darraj Naina's driver, Mr. Sundar, and my office assistant Maharajan, and my car driver Raja, and the photographer Kutti and Kannan, who supported us in all the meetings, and even this COVID situation also they came to take photographs, and also the Sedu, who's the driver of Rotarian Palaniappan, the club secretary, and they all stood there, and they all helped us in conducting the physical meeting. And apart from them, my staff members, Sharada, Ms. Sharada and Ms. Tangarani, who are helping Rotarian Hanif and Rotarian Palaniappan in bringing out the accounts of our club in shape. So my thanks to all of them for supporting, and also the hoteliers, hotels like Hotel Fortune Point, who's been partnering with us for nearly 50 years, and I'm really thankful and thankful for them for being a very supporting hotel for us, for conducting our regular meeting in their premises. And also I would like to thank Hotel JC Residency. This year we conducted nearly about 7 meetings there in JC Residency. I thank the JC Residency hoteliers also for this in this occasion. And I would be erring if I don't mention my family members. If I don't include them in the thank note, it will be a biggest mistake I would do. So I would like to thank my wife, Rotarian Bhagyapriya, who's been a very immense support to me, because of her I was able to move out and do all the works the entire year, and she was there, and she was there looking after the schools. That's why I was able to come out and do all the works. My special thanks to her, and my thanks to my kids, Pranav and Arav, and also my mom and dad, Mr. Rangarajan and Mrs. Devirani. because of them, I was able to do all the projects and all the works of our club. And yes, above all, I thank all the Westerners who are all supporting me, who are all giving your hands to me in all the projects, in all the works, and also the family members of our Westerners who stood there with our Westerners, supported our Westerners, and my special thanks to all Rotarians, guests who are present here today, and also the president of Rotary Club of Madurai Metro Heritage and the secretary, Rotarian Arun Vijay Malli and Rotarian Arun, for your presence and for your contribution to add up to a club in our list. And also, I would extend my thanks to all Royal team as a district, the entire Royal team members. I salute, I thank you, and I thank all the district officials, and above all, my special thanks to my governor, Rotarian Dr. Zamir Pasha, who gave us the title Royal, and this is a royal salute from me, signing off. Thank you. Thank you, Ram. Thank you, Governor.
Thank you, Ravi. It needs a very big round of applause. We could see the emotions flowing out of your heart, and the pride and thing which you had from your heart. Truly amazing. Lot of work you did, and you didn't miss out anyone. That's a very good part about it. Thank you. Thank you very much, Ravi.
Ramnathan, unmute for a moment so that everybody can clap.
Yes, you all can unmute yourself and give a very big round of applause to Rotarian Ravi, the president of Rotary Club of Madurai West.
Mute us again.
Thank you, President Ravi. Now it's the time. You have said many things about us. Now it's the time that we tell something about you. So we have many Rotarians who have volunteered to tell something good. We have already told them, please say only good things. So they are going to say a lot of good things about you. Before that, I will say that I'll recognize the presence of few visiting Rotarians. Rotarian Vijay Kumar, Rotarian Engineer Chakravarti, Rotarian Pramod, Rotarian Pradeep Kumar, Rotarian Rajagopal, Rotarian KK Chandran, Rotarian Anand, Rotarian Annamalai, Rotarian Arun Amarnath, and Rotarian Arun Vijay Malli. So to start with, we have our senior member, past president, Rotarian Lalji Vora, sir. Sir, please share few words about this year and about president and secretary and the team Royal. Thank you, sir. You can unmute yourself and talk.
Happy evening. I think I am audible.
Loud and clear, sir.
I think you have told me to say a few things only and within short time, but I don't think the way the president and secretary and team has done this work so well and for the whole year. And I will just put it everything in a nutshell and complete my address. President Ravi, Secretary Palniappan, Chief Guest of this pleasant evening, Governor Zamir, galaxy of past presidents, and my dear fellow Rotarians. And of course, moderator Ramnathan. Today is the last meeting day of our club for this year, and I could not resist my feelings to congratulate and appreciate the wonderful year we have surpassed and enjoyed to the fullest. Ravi, you have raised as a very able leader. You have devoted your precious time, untiring efforts, and energy all for Rotary. In spite of your busy schedule of managing a big school and other businesses, it was possible only because of your devotion, love, dedication, and enthusiasm. I have always seen you as a very calm, quiet leader, always having a smile on your face. The year started with a very bang. The lavish courtyard Marriott ambience with a powerful and inspirational address from the learned MP Sri Palnivel Tyagarajan, and you were installed as the 55th president of our club by our district governor, a lucky person, governor, and you also. Again, a charming, dynamic, lively, ever smiling, happy Rotary to run it. And doubly happy that today also, even in your valedictory function, is with us. You were lucky to have Rotarian Palniappan as your secretary. Palniappan, I really appreciate your maturity, your command over many languages, and the experience you bring with your previous government service. I have seen great coordination, good understanding, and a smooth sailing all these days. Palniappan, I admire you, your simplicity, knowledge, and your positive nature. Another pillar of the team is our treasurer, Hanif, always prompt, perfect in maintaining accounts, and was a great strength to the team. Monthly reports were submitted regularly without fail. He has always kept an eye on the expenditure side after settling all the mandatory dues on time. This year, luckily, there was a lot of saving, and the club decided to contribute $22 in individual names to the Rotary Foundation for the first time in the history of Madurai West. As a foundation chair, I would thank you for this initiative. Madurai West has generous contributors like Bharadwaj, Ramu Murugesan, Dr. Pugalagiri, Dr. Pethaperumal, Nandalal, and with whose support we were able to think, plan, and execute very big programs and projects. Another important contribution on this 55th year, I think it was made to the Rotary Club of Madurai West Foundation, and as I understand, it's a very huge amount, more or less rupees 1 lakh, will be donated to our Rotary Foundation, our own Madurai West Trust. Hats off to you, Hanif, Palniappan, and Ravi. You were very prudent in your financial allocation. In this, all our entire meetings, we had distinguished top speakers, and the subjects, topics given to them were innovative, current, informative, and thoughtful, thought-provoking. All the family meetings held each month were interesting and enjoyable, since many of them were hosted by the members at their residences. They could have more family bonding, and a lot of our members and annex could get chance to exhibit their hidden talents. To mention a few, we saw Dr. B.R.J. Kannan, Anand Babu, Chitra Madam, Aruna Madam, Shahul, Aditya, Hanif, Ramnathan, Kalyani, even Nandalal and Raja Govindasamy. This year's Interact, Rotrack, Raila, and our weekly circulated bulletin, West End, were all done with different idea and pattern, and they had created a very good impact. Stalwarts like Raja Govindasamy, Sundaravel, T. Ravi, N.A. Narayanan, S.V. Arunachalam, and the galaxy of past presidents were always there to guide and take the club in the right direction. In spite of the lockdowns and the COVID-19 situation, we have not missed even a single Friday meeting. I know it is a Herculean task to conduct meetings online using technology, coordinating with speakers nationally, internationally, managing time zones also. I consider this was a great experience, and I personally learned a lot of this new technology and this new thing. Apart from our club, our district too has been very lucky to have a doctor as a governor. And Under his leadership, we have witnessed many global grants. He is a generous leader and always kind to give advice and assistance throughout this year. Madurai West was fortunate to have a global grant worth rupees 25 lakhs for this COVID testing devices for the Madurai that was donated to government hospital patients. And to tell about our members, we are all one and work always together with single mindset without any difference. And our goal is be together, be happy and enjoy Rotary. Let me conclude by saying a big thank you to the entire Royal team members for keeping the tradition of Madurai West and taking Rotary to yet another level. And thank you, President, for giving me an opportunity to express my compliments to the Royal team on this Thanksgiving Day. Thank you.
Thank you, Lalji sir. That was an amazing prize for the current team. So we have many other Rotarians who want to speak about Ravi. So before that, our governor has the next meeting to attend. So with your permission, Governor, please felicitate the current team, sir. The floor is all yours, please.
Thank you. Ram. Service above self. சேவையை தன்னிவரச் சேர்ந்தது என்ற சர்வதேச ரோட்டரியின் தார்மீக கொள்கையை கொண்டு ஆரம்பம் செய்கின்றோம். And the Madurai West is my home club. தாய் சங்கம் மாதிரி எனக்கு ஒரு feeling. Whenever I come here, I feel that as if I am back in my place. And having done my medical education in Madurai Medical College, and thanks to Ravi and the entire Western people, to go back into my alma mater, Madurai Medical College, and to give all those kits. Thanks to you, Ravi, for the wonderful job that you have done and the DDF that you had. You were able to get a swift response from the Rotary International, who have given us ரொம்ப நல்லா அவங்க எல்லாமே பண்ணி கொடுத்தாங்க. 24 hours we are able to give everything. And இன்னைக்கு வந்துட்டு they are blaming you. ஏன்னா இப்ப நீ இவ்வளவு டெஸ்ட் பண்றதுனால தான் இந்த நம்பர் நிறைய வந்திருக்கு இப்ப மதுரையில அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க இப்போ. Because of the tests, maybe. I don't know. So that is what it is. And Ravi, and you have such legends in your club. எல்லாமே all like starting from Lalji sir, who gave complete comprehensive picture about everyone. And I love that Rotary family, the dedication, the devotion, right from his daughter to his son to daughter-in-law, son-in-law, everyone is dedication. What Rotary is for. This is how the Rotary connects the world. And in the COVID வந்தபோது we had an opportunity in adversity. அதுலயும் நம்ம ஒரு வாய்ப்புகளை கண்டுபிடிச்சு, so what they take next year when Ram comes in, it will be the Rotary opens opportunities. So now the opportunity has already been open, and the Rotary International is really doing a fantastic job. And right from the day one, day zero, you started your projects, and the entire year, come what may, COVID வந்தாலும் சரி, COVID வராட்டியும் சரி, அனாது கொரோனா வந்தாலும் விடாத நாங்கள் சேவை செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருப்போம் அப்படின்னு, you have been doing wonderful work, and congratulations to you right from the West Bulletin, and everyone I see here is a legend, right from all the PDGs here. And நம்ம ப்ரொஃபசர் அப்படி சொல்ல வேண்டாம், ராஜா கோவிந்தசாமி சார், அவங்க உங்களை எப்படி அவங்க ட்ரீட் பண்றோம் அதே மாதிரி தான் அன்னைக்கு பார்த்தேன். நம்ம ஹானரபிள் மினிஸ்டர் உதயகுமார் அப்படின்னு அவர் பார்த்து அப்படியே பயந்து நடக்கிறார். அவரை பார்த்துட்டு எல்லாமே சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தார் அவரு. And so Professor is a real live wire behind this entire club, and everyone. நம்முடைய ரவி வந்துட்டு give me a good fillip for that Vallal project. We had a lot of ideas about it, but unfortunately what happened was நம்ம அந்த குழுக்கள் அதை பண்ண முடியாது. That's why we thought we will return the money and then ask them to do it as per their choice, return it to foundation or take back. It's up to them. But நீங்க வந்து Thanksgiving சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கீங்க. என் நன்றி கொன்றார்க்கு உய்வுண்டாம் உய்வில்லை செய் நன்றி கொன்ற மகர்க்கு. So this is the Quran which I recited in the நம்முடைய institute abroad. So the entire thing was going on in English in Kuala Lumpur Institute. So I went on the days. இது சொன்னவனே எல்லாம் கைதட்ட ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டாங்க, நம்ம Indians and Malaysians, everyone. So that is the first time I believe தமிழ்ல வந்து something has been said on an international forum in Rotary International. So that was the first time that we have done that. And so Thanksgiving, நீங்க எல்லாத்தையும் சொன்னீங்க. நீங்க மார்க் மெலனியை மறந்துட்டீங்க, ஹோப் நகரை மறந்துட்டீங்க, எங்க டைரக்டர் கமல் சங்கியை மறந்துட்டீங்க, பரத் பாண்டியா மறந்துட்டீங்க, எல்லாரையும் சொல்லிட்டீங்க. நீங்க டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் கூட இல்ல சார், யூ ஆர் இன்டர்நேஷனலி known for the works that you have done, and everyone is really looking forward to the work that you have done. And you have also done an historic moment over there. which you have not mentioned in your, because what is historic? The first e-charter presentation of a new club. In the history of Rotary International, you have done the first one. So that is something that is really very, very laudable, and that is very, very appreciable by everyone. Now, no, we have done the first e-charter presentation in the entire history of the world. That was really something that was fabulous, and no one can deny the way that you have done. And sitting in front of the computer all the time, PC, and we have got also EC meeting of our Laparoscopic Surgeon Association, national meeting, our executive committee meeting. அதில் அவங்க கேட்டாங்க, வாட் இஸ் எங்களுக்கு இமெயில் வந்தது, வாட் இஸ் யுவர் சாய்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரிஃபரன்ஸ், வெஜ் ஆர் நான் வெஜ் அப்படின்னு. என்னங்கடா அப்படின்னா ரெஃப்ரெஷ்மெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுக்குறாங்களாம். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு சொல்லி ஐதர் சொமேட்டோ ஆர் யுவர் courier will bring you the food. நாங்க சாமி hands, never you should not be the courier or carrier for corona, never. சாப்பாடே கொண்டு வாங்க, வீட்லயே சாப்பிட்டுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு. So that way that was a good idea. But so இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம ஃபேமிலி மீட்ஸ்ல we can ask for food and also get it served, but not in these days. Corona, who will carry food and who will carry corona theriyadu. So that things we rolled out that. I just gave you an idea, but what la Zoom la enna pannalaante. And you have been having a lovely Zoom meetings with fun games. And Madam Aruna, you said that she is doing a lot of fun activities also. And idellame nadandittirukku. Everything, the entire event is just like whizzed past. அப்படியே போயிடுச்சு. இந்த கண்ணு மூடி கடந்தது. இப்ப நேற்று தான் நம்ம எல்லாம் பெங்களூர்ல பெட்ஸ் அண்ட் செட்ஸ்ல போன மாதிரி இருந்தது, கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் எல்லாம் ஒன்னா இருந்த மாதிரி இருந்தது. I just want to come and give you all a golden handshake, give you all a bear hug for a wonderful work that you have done. And every senior person, I want to seek their greetings and blessings, and everyone, எல்லாத்தையும் நம்ம including our today's birthday baby, Uncle Narayan sir. Sir, wish you a very, very wonderful birthday. நீங்க உங்களுடைய 100th birthday-க்கு நாங்கெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் வாழ்த்துப்பட்டிருந்தோம், ஆசீர்வாதம் வாங்கணும். That is what we want to hear from you. And the belated birthday wishes to Ram also. And இந்த வருஷம், so every year they used to give best president, best secretary எல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டு இருப்பாங்க. இந்த வருஷம் நம்ம best president கொடுத்தா, Ram is already a best president, best secretary எல்லாமே already இருக்காங்க. So what this is the year for Rotary India. Rotary India's centennial year, the 100th year of Rotary stepping into India. So this year you will all be Rotary India centennial year super presidents, the royal super presidents. So in the worship we are going to take off best, because next year already they will be coming in with the best. So adhe kodukka venda. Next year maybe we will have a Thanksgiving on Tuesday on 30th. 4 more days to go. The royal year is not that over, Ravi. You can still contribute. Foundation நிறைய இருக்கு, and உங்க புது டீம் இருக்கு, heritage இருக்காங்க. The Arun Square are there, both Aruns are there, but they are gone for the family meet. Call them back, ask them to contribute for the foundation, and you can do a lot of wonders. And of course, Lajis are இருக்காங்க, everyone you can contribute. And this year our contribution has really gone down because of corona. We are not able to, because this corona brought 2 crises. One is the health crisis, the other is the economic crisis. So we are not able to force anyone to contribute also, but there are large-hearted people. There are really dedicated Rotarians in Madurai West. So Ravi, please motivate them to donate more for the Rotary Foundation. Because Rotary Foundation this year, because we have completely depleted the entire Akshaya Matram for the COVID. So அடுத்து வரவங்களுக்கு next year there are a lot of cash contribution matching கிடையாது, you must have heard. And second, when there is a global grant, 30% share of the international club has now been slashed down to 15%, which means we have to take another 15% more to do our global grant. So 30% we will not be getting automatically. So with all this, there are a lot of cash crunches coming in. There is going to be definitely a depression in economy, and we are looking forward to that depression after 1920, the Great Depression we had 100 years ago. So that is going to be a repetition of the same. But we have to have member retention, member increase, because these are the 2 eyes of the Rotary International. The first is the membership, and the second is the foundation. So please take care of these 2. And your Thanksgiving, as usual, has been really fantastic. And thanks to our dynamic secretary, Palniappan sir, who has done a wonderful job. And your thing, now please, எல்லாமே ஒரு PowerPoint presentation போட்டு எல்லாமே again, besides this your bulletin. எல்லாமே ஒரு பவர் பாயிண்ட் பிரசன்டேஷன்ல போட்டு திருப்பி எல்லாம் குரூப்ல போடுங்க. You got 4 days more and also contribute more for the foundation. Thanks to you for having given the entire well amount for the foundation and God bless you all. அரிது மானிடராய் பிறப்பது அரிது, அதிலும் அரிது சேவை செய்யக்கூடிய ஒரு ரொட்டேரியனாக முக்கியமாக மதுரை வெஸ்டிலே இருப்பது அதைவிட அரிது. Please make use of this opportunity and God bless you all. Give more and live more. Be a Rotarian. வாழ்க வளமுடன், வாழ்க நலமுடன். வீட்டில் இருங்கள், விலகி இருங்கள், வெளிப்பாக இருங்கள், சமூக விலகலை கடைபிடியுங்கள். ஆனால் ரோட்டரி சேவையை தொடர்ந்து செய்து கொண்டே இருங்கள். வாய்ப்பிற்கு நன்றி. All the best to you, Ravi. Still 4 more days to go. That's what I want to remind you. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
டெஃபினெட்லி நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி வெரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சாப்டர் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோம் அண்ட் சங்வி எல்லாம் சொல்ல விட்டுட்டேன். ஐ எம் ரியலி தேங்க்ஃபுல் ஃபார் யூ ஃபார் பிரிங்கிங் தட் நோட்டீஸ் டு மீ. அண்ட் நிஜமா இன்னும் 4 நாள் இருக்கு. ஐ எம் ஆல்சோ வெயிட்டிங் கவர்னர். உங்கள்ட்ட இருந்து ஒரு நல்ல பதில் வரும்னு நானும் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கேன்.
மேஜர் டோனர் கொடுங்கப்பா.
ஒரு நல்ல பதில் கவர்னர் இருந்து வரணும். வந்துருச்சு நான் இமிடியேட்டா ஐ வில் டு இட். ஐ ஆல்ரெடி ப்ராமிஸ்ட். கவர்னர் தான் சொன்னீங்க, அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு
ஏகேஎஸ் சொன்னது எஸ் எடுத்து நடுவுல போடுங்க. ஆஸ் ஏஎஸ்கே போட்டீங்கன்னா ஏகேஎஸ் வந்துரும். அடுத்து நிச்சயமா ஆஸ் ஃபார் ஏகேஎஸ் யூ வில் கெட் இட்.
Thank you governor. Thank you. We will do governor. Definitely I will do from my part. நம்ம கிளப்ல இன்னமும் இருக்காங்க. I'm tapping them. பாப்போம் governor. நிச்சயமா என்ன பண்ணுங்க.
Seeking your permission to leave, I got a webinar to chair if you don't mind, please. Thank you so very much.
Governor, sir, one minute before leaving, we just got confirmation from our senior member for $1,000 and president almost accepting to become a major donor. The senior member is none other than Rotarian Raja Govindswamy. He's donating $1,000 after hearing your inspiring speech. So I just got a received message from him. Thank you very much, Governor, for such an inspirational speech. Thank you for joining for our Thanksgiving function. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Now we have Rotarian Narayan Subbiah sir for a small few kind words about President, Secretary and the team. Thank you, sir. The floor is all yours. Unmute yourself and please talk, sir.
Beloved Governor of Rotary District 3000, Dr. Zamir Pasha, Rotary West President Ravi Patsardi, Secretary Palaniyappan, and my dear Rotary friends, good evening to you all. Ravi and his team have nicely wrapped up the Rotary year 2019-20. You could see the emotions flowing from his eyes and words today. In spite of the serious disruptions in our normal lives, Ravi has carried the club through regular meetings and recently through virtual meetings. He has been ably assisted by Secretary Palaniyappan in organizing meetings as well as projects. And Vinayaga Screen Ramanathan has chipped in to compare many meetings very nicely. The Rotary team Royal team can feel really proud of themselves. Of all the speaker meetings, one deserves special mention, the presentation by Dr. Kishore Iyer, a brother of our member Aruna Vishweshwar from Mount Sinai Hospital, New York. During the presentation, I felt as if I was in the operation theater with him observing the procedures. And now I wish to make an observation, little offbeat. I don't know how you will take it. The members are not physically meeting each other. We badly miss the bonding. No family meetings, no togetherness. The இதில் நீங்கள் ஃபிசிக்ஸ்லாம் படிச்சிருப்பீங்க. Attraction is proportional to the inverse of the square of the distance. அதாவது டிஸ்டன்ஸ் 2 மடங்கு ஆனால் அட்ராக்ஷன் வந்து 1/4 ஆயிரும். அந்த மாதிரி பிளட் பாண்டுக்கு இது பொருந்தாது. பட் தட்ஸ் வே இட் இஸ் இன் லைஃப். பட் எனிவே, நாட் டு வரி, நியூ டெவலப்மெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் கம்மிங். இப்போ virtual reality, இதில் சிலிகான் வேலியில் virtual reality, augmented reality, avatar technologies இதெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு இருக்கு. Where we are virtually transported to another location in 3 dimensions, like in holograms. Even haptic sensors are available. We can feel, touch பண்ணி, you can shake hands, we can hug each other. அந்த மாதிரி all of us can be in Pandian Hotel without actually being there. All this will be available within a few years, hopefully. But meanwhile, let us hope and pray for early return of our normal lives. congratulations once again to the royal team of 1920. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, Rotarian Narayan Subhayash sir. Thank you. We have another special person to speak about Ravi, who has trained Ravi as a president. Ravi was under him as secretary. None other than past president Rotarian Sundarvel sir. The floor is all yours. Please unmute and talk.
Is Sundarvel sir there? Vandutara.
He's there already. Sundarvel sir? Okay, before him we can call the professor of Rotarian Ravi Parthasarathy, past president Rotarian Raja Govindsamy sir. Sir? Raja sir? Unmute பண்ணிட்டு பேசுங்க. Yeah, okay.
Thank you very much. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நம்முடைய தலைவர் ரவி பார்த்தசாரதி மிக சிறந்த முறையில் இந்த ஆண்டினை அவருடைய ஆட்சிக்குழுவோடு சேர்ந்து நடத்தி முடித்திருக்கிறார்கள். அதனால அவர் உள்ளிட்ட அனைவருக்கும் உங்கள் அனைவரின் சார்பாகவும் நானும் ஆஷாவும் எங்களுடைய மகிழ்ச்சியான பாராட்டுக்களை தெரிவிக்கிறோம். பாராட்டு மகிழ்ச்சியாக தான் இருக்க முடியும். தலைவரோடு சேர்ந்து பணியாற்றிய அனைவரை பற்றியும் தலைவர் ரொம்ப சிறப்பாக எடுத்து சொன்னார்கள். ஒரு நம்ம பொன்குமார் அப்புறம் சசிகுமார் இந்த ரெண்டு பேருமே தலைவருக்கு பல நிலைகளில் துணை நின்றார்கள் என்றால் அவர்களுக்கு ஒரு பாராட்டினை நான் தெரிவிக்கிறேன் தலைவர் சார்பாக. ஆதித்தன் அந்த முதல் காலகட்டங்களிலிருந்து கடைசி 40 வரைக்கும் நம்முடைய சஞ்சய் இதழை பார்த்திருக்கிறார்கள். இன்னொரு பெருமையான விஷயம், சுரேஷ் சர்மா நம் சங்கத்திற்கே முதல் முறையா ஒரு தேர்தலில் நின்று டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் ரோட்டராக்ட் ரெப்ரசன்டேட்டிவ் என்ற நிலையில அவர் போட்டி போட்டு வெற்றி பெற்று நம்முடைய ரோட்டராக்ட் கிளப் ஆஃப் சதர்ன் ஃபோர்ட் துவங்கிய ஒரு ஆண்டுகளில நமக்கு ஒரு டிஆர்ஆர் கிடைச்சிருக்கிறார். அந்த ஒரு பெருமை. தம்பி நம்முடைய ரத்த தான விஷயத்திற்காகவும் இறங்கி இருக்கிறார் களத்துல என்பது. தலைவர் உங்க மனைவிக்கும் உங்க பிள்ளைகளுக்கும் உங்க அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கும் நாங்க பாராட்டு தெரிவிக்கிறோம். உங்க பிள்ளைகளுடைய கலை உணர்வை நாங்க ரொம்ப பாராட்டுறோம். வாசிக்கிறது, இசைக்கருவி அல்லது படம் வரைகிறதுலாம் எங்களுக்கு நிறைய பகிர்ந்திருக்கிறீர்கள். அதுக்காக உங்களை பாராட்டுறோம். இந்த ஆளுநர் சொன்னாரு, தி ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இந்த அட்வர்சிட்டி, அதை இந்த 15 கூட்டங்களில் சிறப்பாக வெளிப்படுத்தியிருக்கிறீர்கள். அது தவிர நிறைய வருஷம் முழுக்க நல்ல பேர் வாங்கி தந்திருக்கிறீர்கள். அதுக்காக நன்றி சொல்லியிருக்கிறோம். அடுத்த ஆண்டு வர்ற அணிக்கும் நீங்கள் வாழ்த்துனை சொல்லியிருக்கிறதுனால அது நல்ல பேர் வச்சிருக்கிறாங்க, வெஸ்ட் பெஸ்ட் டீம் அப்படின்ட்டு. இது ரோட்டரி ஆன் எட் அனதர் லெவல். அவங்க பி எக்ஸலண்ட் இன் சர்விங் டுகெதர் என்று வந்திருக்கிறார்கள். நமக்கு அடுத்த 5 வருஷத்துக்கும் தலைவர்கள் தயாராயிட்டாங்க. நீங்க எல்லா வகைகளிலும் சேர்த்துட்டீங்க, பணத்தை மிச்சம் பிடிச்ச பணத்தை நல்ல இடத்துல நன்கொடையா கொடுத்திருக்கிறீர்கள். ஐ ஆம் வெரி கான்பிடென்ட் யூ வில் பி ஏபிள் டு ரீப் ரிச் ரிவார்ட்ஸ் in the form of awards at the district awards program. My only appeal to you, இந்த வருஷம் முழுக்க உங்களுக்கு பள்ளிக்கூட வேலை நிறைய இருந்த போதும் இதுக்கு செலவழிச்சிட்டீங்க. இப்பயும் பள்ளிக்கூடங்கள் ஜனவரி 6 தான் திறக்குங்கிற மாதிரி எல்லாம் செய்திகளை பார்க்கிறோம். நீங்க ஆசிரியர்களுக்கு, பணியாளர்களுக்கு பள்ளிக்கூடத்தை பராமரிக்கிறதுக்கான செலவுகள் நிறைய இருக்கிறது. அதுல மும்முரமா நீங்க இருக்க போறீங்க. அதுல உங்களுக்கு மீளுமாறு ஒரு நல்ல வாய்ப்பு அளிக்கணும்னு இறைவனை நாங்கள் வேண்டிக் கொள்கிறோம். நம்முடைய எல்லா உறுப்பினர்களுக்கும் வணிகம், தொழில் சிறப்பா அமையணுங்கிற ஒரு பிரார்த்தனை தான். உங்களுக்கு குறிப்பா காரணம், இந்த ஆண்டு பள்ளிக்கூட விஷயத்துல நிறைய உங்களுடைய ஈடுபாடு கொஞ்சம் இல்லாம இருந்திருக்கலாம். மனைவி அதை பிரமாதமாக பார்த்திருக்கிறார்கள் என்று நான் அறிகிறேன். அதனால நான் உங்களை ரொம்பவும் பாராட்டுகிறேன். பள்ளி இன்னும் சிறப்பா வரணும். நீங்க சிபிஎஸ்இ பள்ளிக்கூடம் துவங்குறதுக்காக அச்சாரம் போட்டிருக்கிறீங்க, அடித்தளம் அமைத்திருக்கிறீர்கள் என்பதை நாங்கள் அறிந்திருக்கிறோம். கல்வி பணி இன்னும் ரொம்ப சிறப்பா வரணும். ஒரு ஐபிபிங்கிற முறையில அடுத்த வருஷம் யூ மஸ்ட் பி ஐஏபிபி, இம்மீடியட் அவைலபிள் பாஸ்ட் பிரசிடென்டா இருக்கணும் ராமநாதனுக்கு என்ற வார்த்தையோடு உங்கள் குடும்பத்தாரையும் உங்கள் ஆட்சி குழுவினரையும் நம் உறவினர்கள் எல்லாரையும் நான் நன்றி சொல்லி உங்களைத்தான் தூக்கி வைக்கிறது எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி. அடுத்து இன்னும் காலம் இருக்கு, 4 நாள். அதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க பரிசுகள்லாம் எங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கறதுக்கு தயாரா இருக்கிறீர்கள். இன்னும் ஒரு முறை மாவட்ட பரிசுகள் வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு தனி பாராட்டு விழாவில் நிறைய பாராட்டு சொல்றோம். நம்முடைய மூத்த உறுப்பினர்கள் உங்களுக்கு துணை நின்றார்கள். இளைய தலைமுறை நிறைய கொஞ்சம் சேர்த்திருக்கிறீங்க. நான் சேர்த்து விட்ட ஆட்களை தக்க வைக்கிறது எல்லாம் என்னுடைய பணியாக நான் கருதுகிறேன். நீங்கள் எனக்கு நிறைய உதவியும் கொடுத்த மரியாதைக்கும் நிறைய அன்பு வார்த்தைகளுக்கும் நன்றி. வணக்கம்.
Thank you, Past President Rotarian Raja Govindsamy sir. Do we have Sundravel sir back online? Sundravel sir, can unmute yourself and please talk. He's not there. So we have the Assistant Governor Rotarian Chidambaram here with us.
Regional coordinator.
Regional coordinator, yes. I am checking because everyone must be hungry. So are you listening? Check pandradhukku dhaan na maati sonne. Regional coordinator Mr. Chidambaram here with us to felicitate the current team. The floor is all yours, sir.
Thank you, Ramanathan. I would like to congratulate President Ravi and Palnepan sir for the wonderful Rotary year indeed. ஒரு ஸ்பெக்டாகுலர் இயர் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க சார். யூஸ்வலா வெஸ்ட்ல இருந்து ரொம்ப ப்ரொஃபஷனல் இயர் இருக்கும். பட் இந்த இயர்ல உங்க இயர்ல நீங்க நிச்சயமா ஒரு மார்க்கோட தான் முடிச்சிருக்கீங்க. ஸ்பெஷல் அப்ரிசியேஷன், கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன்ஸ் டு யூ. இந்த இயர் ஆரம்பிக்கிறப்ப பெட் செட்ஸ்ல இருந்து எனக்கு தெரியும் அவ்வளவு ஒன்னா இந்த பாண்டிங் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆச்சு. அதாவது ரவி வந்து ஒரு அசைன்மெண்ட் எடுத்துக்கிட்டா அதுல வந்து ஒரு பர்ஃபெக்ஷன் இருக்கும், ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனலிசம் இருக்கும். இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நான் என்னன்னா, ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் டு டேக் மச் ஆஃப் யுவர் டைம், ஏன்னா வெஸ்டர்ஸ்ல நிறைய பேசணும். ஜூலை 1 வந்து டாக்டர்ஸோட அந்த ரத்த தானம் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஈவெண்ட் IMA ஹால்ல நடந்தது. அப்போ வந்து மதுரை வந்து என்னன்னா டோட்டலா டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் 8 ரெவென்யூ டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்ஸ்ல ஒவ்வொரு டிஸ்ட்ரிக்டும் 100 யூனிட்ஸ் கொடுத்தாங்க. 110, 90 அப்படி இப்படின்னு ஸ்கோர் பண்ணிட்டே இருந்தாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே வந்து மதுரையோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் வந்து 37 தான். தட் ஐ வாஸ் வரிட் அண்ட் ஐ கன்வைட் கவர்னர், சாரி சார் எல்லாமே நல்லா தான் போடணும், வாட் ஹேப்பன் எனக்கு தெரியல, 37ஓட முடிச்சிட்டோம், வில் டூ பெட்டர் சார், நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் நல்லா பண்றோம், நோ டோன்ட் வரி சிதம்பரம், இட் வில் பி ஆல் ரைட் சூன் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. அந்த இதுலயே இருந்துட்டு இருக்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட் டே பாத்தீங்கன்னா அமெரிக்கன் காலேஜ்ல வெஸ்ட் நடத்திட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க, பிளட் போயிட்டு இருக்கு. பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஸ்கோர் 150 யூனிட்ஸ் வந்தது. பாத்தீங்கன்னா 187 யூனிட்ஸ் டோட்டலா மதுரை வந்தது. அன்னைக்குதான் ராயல் இயர்ல 8 டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட்ல மதுரை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வர ஆரம்பிச்சது. இன்னைக்கு வரைக்கும் கவர்னர் சாருக்கு மதுரை நல்லா தான் ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கு. அந்த இம்ப்ரெஷன் அந்த இது கொடுத்தது ரவி தான். தேங்க்யூ ரவி, தேங்க்யூ ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் மதுரை வெஸ்ட். இன்னொன்னு சொல்றேன், ஒவ்வொரு விஷயமும் இவர் வந்து இஸ் நாட் பிரசிடென்ட், பட் எந்த விஷயம் சொன்னாலும் ரவி கிட்ட ஒரு ஒர்க் கொடுத்தோம்னா நம்பலாம், ஆல்வேஸ் டிபெண்டபிள். இன்னொரு இந்த டார்ச் வந்தது எங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த கவர்னர் வந்து 3 to 2 சொன்னாரு, எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப லேட்டா தான் சொன்னாரு. ஒலிம்பிக் டார்ச் ரோட்டரி ஜோதி வந்துட்டு இருந்தது, பரமக்குடி வந்துட்டு இருக்கிறப்ப நாளைக்கு மார்னிங் மதுரைக்கு வந்துரும், பட் யூ ஷுட் ரிசீவ் த டார்ச்ங்கிறப்ப யார் எந்த ஏஜிஸும் இல்ல, யாரும் இல்ல, அன்னைக்கு நல்ல மூர்த்தம். அன்னைக்கு கூப்பிட்ட ஒரே ஆள் ரவி தான். ரவி ஹஸ் டன் எ ஃபினாமினல் ஜாப். தேங்க்யூ ரவி. அன்னைக்கு இல்லைன்னா ரவி வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒவ்வொருத்தங்களா பிக்கப் பண்ணி பாத்தீங்கன்னா அதுலயும் மதுரை தான் டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் 3000 நல்லா ஸ்கோர் பண்ணி கொண்டு வந்தாங்க. அதே மாதிரி டீச் த டீச்சர்ஸ் அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ப்ரோக்ராம் அதை எடுத்துக்கிட்டு இருந்த ஒவ்வொரு மைன்யூட் டீடைலிங்கும் மைக்ரோ டீடைலிங்கும் ரவி ஒர்க் பண்ணதெல்லாம் ஸ்பெஷல் அப்ரிசியேஷன். பழனியப்பன் சாரும் அதுக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங்கா, அதாவது என்ன சொல்ற கிளாஸ்மேட்ஸ் கிளாஸ் தான். பெஸ்ட் பிரசிடென்ட், பெஸ்ட் செக்ரட்டரி ஆஃப் ராயல் எனக்கு சொல்றது இவங்க 2 பேர் தான் இன்னைக்கு சொல்றாங்க. நிச்சயமா ஒரு ஸ்டார் நைட், அவார்ட்ஸ் நைட் இருக்கு ரவி. உங்க பெஸ்ட் வந்து நிறைய அவார்ட்ஸ் அள்ளிட்டு போவோம். நிச்சயமா சொல்றேன், ஆல் தி வெரி பெஸ்ட். காட் பிளஸ் யூ. ஒரு ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் ஃபேபுலஸ் ரோட்டரி இயர் கொடுத்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். காட் பிளஸ் மதுரை வெஸ்ட். அப்புறம் பிலேட்டட் பர்த்டே விஷஸ் டு ராம் சார். நேற்று உங்களை விஷ் பண்ண முடியல, பட் பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். இன்னைக்கு நாராயணன் சார் இன்னைக்கு யாருக்கும் பர்த்டே விஷஸ் இருக்கு. ஸோ ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே டு ஹிம். ஸோ ஹேவ் எ கிரேட், அடுத்த வருஷமும் நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.
Thank you RC Chidambaram Anna. Thank you very much. Do we have Sundravel sir online back? Sir, you can unmute yourself and talk, sir. We see you in the list. I am unmuting you.
Hello.
Yes, correct. Sir, கேக்குது. Super.
Okay. See, I am not well, so I am running temperature. அதனால தான் நான் ஆடியோ மொத்தம் போட்டு கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தேன். ரவி, தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் அ ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் இயர். ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி. ரவி வந்து என்னன்னா, எனக்கு செக்ரட்டரியா ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணும்போது ஹி வாஸ் அ வெரி ஜூனியர் மெம்பர். அப்போ ரோட்டரியில் அவர் ஜாயின் பண்ணியே 3 இயர்ஸ்குள்ள தான் இருக்கும். அண்ட் வேற எந்த ஆஃபீஸ்லயும் இருந்தது இல்லை. பட் somehow அவரை பார்க்கும்போது ஐ ஹேட் அ கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ், இது கண்டிப்பா ஹி வில் டெலிவர் அப்படின்ட்டு. அண்ட் we were a very perfect team சொல்லலாம். I think Ravi Partha will agree because we share the responsibilities. அவர் என்ன பண்ணணும்ட்டு ரொம்ப தெளிவா இருக்கும். as president நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன் ரொம்ப தெளிவா இருப்போம். ரொம்ப கிளியரா ஸ்மூத்தா போச்சு இந்த இயர். அண்ட் ரவியோட சப்போர்ட் ரொம்ப ஒண்டர்ஃபுல்லா இருந்தது. என்ன இதுன்னா அந்த இயர் வந்து இட் வாஸ் ரியலி ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் பிகாஸ் ஐ குட் நாட் ஹேவ் ஆஸ்ட் ஃபார் அ பெட்டர் செக்ரட்டரி. அந்த மாதிரி தான் எனக்கு ஒரு ஃபீலிங் இருந்தது. அண்ட் என்னன்னா தாய் 8 அடி பாய்ஞ்சிச்சுன்னா குட்டி 16 அடி பாயணும் அப்படிங்கறத எல்லாரும் விருப்பம். எனக்கு வந்து ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி. இந்த குட்டி 17 அடி தாண்டி இருக்குங்கிறது பத்தி ஐ எம் வெரி ஹாப்பி. ரவி பார்த்தா. அண்ட் இதுல ஒன்று சொல்லணும் என்னன்னா, பிகாஸ் ஈவன் இன் 15-16 ஐ ரியலைஸ்ட் த ரோல் பாக்யபிரியா பிளேட். ஏன்னா அப்போது நீங்க செக்ரட்டரி இருந்த போது நிறைய டைம் ரோட்டரிக்கு டிவோட் பண்ணீங்க, நிறைய ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணீங்க. அண்ட் அப்பதான் அவங்க இனிஷியேட் ஆறாங்க நினைக்கிறேன், இண்டக்ட் ஆறாங்க ஸ்கூல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி. அண்ட் ஃபார் த லாஸ்ட் 4-5 இயர்ஸ் அவங்க நல்லா சிறப்பா பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறதுனால நீங்களும் நல்ல ரோட்டரி ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்ல நல்லா பண்ண முடிஞ்சது. பாக்யபிரியா ஏன் இல்ல மீட்டிங்ல இருக்காங்களா?
இல்ல கொஞ்ச நேரம் இருந்தாங்க.
ஓகே, கன்வே மை தேங்க்ஸ் டு பாக்யபிரியா பிகாஸ் ஷீ இஸ். இப்போ யாராவது ஒரு ஆளை தேங்க் பண்ணணும்னு நினைச்சேன்னா ஐ லைக் டு தேங்க் ஒன்லி பாக்யபிரியா ஃபார் த ஒண்டர்ஃபுல் இயர் யூ கேவ் திஸ் இயர் ரவி பார்த்தா. அண்ட் may I bless you, may continue to serve Rotary. அதுதான் நான் உங்களை கேட்டுக்கிறேன். நிறைய பிரசிடென்ட் அப்படியே இயர் முடிஞ்சோடனே they disappear. ராஜா சொன்ன மாதிரி immediately availableங்கிற மாதிரி always serving past president அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி நீங்க இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் என்னுடைய wish. All the best to you. Thank you very much.
Definitely sir, definitely sir. Thank you sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for such a kind words from the heart, sir. Thank you very much. Ravi, President Ravi, the felicitations are over. Do anyone else want to speak anything about President and current team? You can very well unmute yourself and talk. Do anyone want to speak? Can we go ahead?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. We have the sir.
பழனியப்பன் இருக்கிறார் இல்லையா? பழனியப்பன் காணும் திடீர்னு தெரியல. பழனியப்பன்
இருக்காங்க.
தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். அவர் எப்படி பிரசிடென்ட் சுந்தரவேல் சொன்னாரோ அது மாதிரி நீங்க ஒரு பேக் ஸ்டேஜ் ஆர்டிஸ்ட் என்ற முறையில் சிறந்த பண்ணி கொடுத்துட்டீங்க. கங்க்ராச்சுலேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ. தலைமுறை இடைவெளி இல்லாம 2 பேரும் பங்கேற்றார்கள். இன்டர் ஜெனரேஷனல் ப்ராப்ளம் இல்லாம பங்கேற்றதுக்கு பாராட்டு.
I have a little add up to that story. என்னன்னா initially வந்து when I was looking for a secretaryship, I was searching for my age partner. அது நான் ரொம்ப முயற்சி பண்ணும்போது அதுல you know that it was not possible. கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா அது கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாயிட்டே இருந்தது. அண்ட் சாருடைய புல்லட்டின்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிரமாதமா அவர் கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது இவ்வளவு நல்லா பண்றாரு, why not we make him as the club secretary for the next year அப்படின்னு நான் பிளான் பண்ணிட்டு நான் அவர் அப்ரோச் பண்ணேன். அண்ட் immediately சார் said okay. And couple of times I visited and talked to him at home. வீட்லயும் வந்து என்னை அவங்க வீட்டு புள்ள மாதிரி என்னை ஏத்துக்கிட்டாங்க. ஸோ அது ஒரு பெரிய கம்ஃபர்ட் ஜோன் எங்க 2 பேர்த்துக்குள்ள கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா டெவலப் ஆகி இப்போ வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னா, நான் என்ன நினைக்கிறேங்கிறது அவருக்கு தெரியும், அவர் என்ன நினைக்கிறாருங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியுங்கிற அளவுக்கு அது வந்து டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டா 2 பேரும் கண்ணாடியை பாக்குற மாதிரி மாறிட்டோம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அ வெரி குட் கிஃப்ட் தட் வி நோ ஈச் அதர். இப்போ ரவி இப்படிதான் யோசிப்பாரு அப்படிங்கிறது எனக்கு பழனியப்பன் சார் சொல்லிடுவாரு, பழனியப்பன் சார் இப்படிதான் சொல்லுவாரு அப்படிங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியும். அந்த அளவுக்கு வி பிகேம் வெரி 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 க்ளோஸ். இந்த ஒரு கம்ஃபர்ட் ஜோனுக்காக நான் ரோட்டரி கிளப் ஆஃப் மதுரை வெஸ்ட நான் ரொம்ப தேங்க் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். ஏன்னா கிளப் செக்ரட்டரி வந்து எப்பயுமே எனக்கு அவைலபிளா இருந்தாரு. தட் வாஸ் அ கிஃப்ட் டு மீ. ஏன்னா நான் என்னுடைய ஒர்க்ல வந்து சில சமயங்கள் வந்து கொஞ்சம் பிஸியா இருக்கும் போதும், என்னோட ஒர்க்ல சில போர்ஷன் அவர் எடுக்கும் போதும், ஹனீஃப் ட்ரெஷரரோட போர்ஷன்ஸ் சிலதையும் அவர் எடுத்து பண்ணது. அண்ட் புல்லட்டின் ஒர்க்கையும் அவர் கொஞ்சம் கன்டினியூ பண்ணி அவருக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ண ஃபைன் டியூன் பண்ணதுல. இப்போ இந்த லாஸ்ட் ஃபியூ டேஸ் எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் உடம்பு எல்லாமே செட்பேக் ஆகும்போது he rose to the occasion and he helped in all kinds of way. எல்லா gift வாங்குறதுல இருந்து எல்லாமே அவர் பாத்துக்கிட்டாரு. So such a nice person. அந்த அளவுக்கு ஒரு இன்வால்வ்மெண்டான ஒரு டெடிகேட்டட் செக்ரட்டரி இனிமே யாருக்கும் கிடைக்க மாட்டாங்கன்றத நினைச்சு எனக்கு சந்தோஷப்படுறேன். So this is what I would say on the club secretary. எனக்கு கிடைச்ச மாதிரி செக்ரட்டரி யாருக்கும் கிடைக்க மாட்டாங்க அப்படிங்கறத நான் சொல்லிடுறேங்க. Register it here. Thank you sir.
ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ பிரசிடென்ட். ஒரு விஷயம் நீங்க சொன்னதுல மட்டும் சின்ன திருத்தம் பண்ணணும். எங்க வீட்டு பிள்ளை மாதிரி இல்லாம அவர் தம்பி மாதிரின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா உங்க ஏஜ் கரெக்டா ஆப்டா இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ. நீங்க உங்க செக்ரட்டரி பத்தி ரொம்ப பெருமையா பேசுனீங்க. இட்ஸ் ஆல் ரைட். இப்ப எங்க அடுத்த செக்ரட்டரி வந்து இப்ப பேசுவாங்க பாருங்க. தென் யூ வில் நோ வாட் இட் இஸ். I request the incoming secretary Mr. Balasubramanian to please give a small announcement here. Bala sir?
Yeah, I'm good. Am I audible?
Yes, he's here. Yes, very much loud and clear.
Good evening, friends. I invite you all for the 56th installation ceremony of our club on 3rd July, Friday at 6:30. It will be a Zoom meeting, and the chief guest will be Rotarian A.S. Venkatesh, RI Director Nominee 2021 to 2023. Thank you.
Thank you, incoming secretary. Thank you very much. So pretty much we are... Sorry. Pretty much we are done with the Thanksgiving. The dinner is getting ready downstairs. So nice smell is coming. அவங்க தான் சாப்பாடு போடல, நம்ம வீட்டுல நம்மளா போய் சாப்பிட்டுக்கலாம். So for the one last time, all members here, I request the secretary of Rotary Club of Madurai West, Palaniappan sir, to give the vote of thanks for the one last time. Thank you very much.
Unmute பண்ணிட்டு பேசுறேன். Sir unmute பண்ணுங்க உங்களை. Yes sir.
I'm very glad to express my sincere thanks to District Governor Dr. A. Jamil Basha and Regional Coordinator CT. Our sincere thanks are due to all the chairmen of all the committees and guests from all other clubs. Are you hearing, President?
Yes
Okay,
sir.
no?
Yes, very much clear.
And all our members who are present watching our video, and members who felicitated today in the Thanksgiving function. Specifically, Rotarian Laji sir, Narayan sir, Rotarian Rajagovinda sir, and again Rotarian CT, Rotarian M. Sundarave, for all the good words said about the happy team. Thank you very much. Thank you. See you again. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary. Over to President Ravi to officially close this meeting. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, Ramnathan. The royal themes Thanksgiving ceremony has come to an end, and we are very much happy that we had a very good time together the entire year, and the Thanksgiving meeting is hereby adjourned. All of us can go for dinner. Thank you. Thanks all. எல்லாரையும் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
Thank you.
எல்லாரும் அட்மிட் பண்ணிருக்கோம்.
Ravi, Armai.
பிரமாதம்.
Thank you, one and all. Thank you.